Teri Ganga Maili is a popular Bollywood movie released in 1985. The film was directed by Raj Kapoor and starred Mandakini and Rajiv Kapoor in lead roles. The story revolves around the character of Ganga, played by Mandakini. The film is set in a rural Indian village and follows the life of Ganga, an innocent and pure-hearted young woman who lives with her family. Ganga is the epitome of traditional Indian values and is devoted to her family. The story takes a turn when Ganga's life is tainted by circumstances beyond her control. She becomes unintentionally involved in the world of prostitution. This descent into a morally compromising life occurs when she is separated from her family and has to fend for herself. Throughout the film, Ganga's character is portrayed as a symbol of purity and resilience in the face of adversity. The film explores themes of love, societal judgments, and the struggle for redemption. It highlights the contrast between traditional values and the harsh realities of the world. Teri Ganga Maili is known for its iconic songs and melodious music composed by Ravindra Jain. The movie was controversial at the time of its release due to its bold themes and the portrayal of sensuality. Nevertheless, it became a commercial success and is remembered as a significant part of Indian cinema history. The title of the film, Teri Ganga Maili, can be roughly translated to Ram, your Ganga is impure, with Ram being a reference to Lord Rama, a revered deity in Hinduism, and Ganga, symbolizing the holy Ganges River. The title itself is symbolic of the central theme of purity and impurity in the movie. Overall, Teri Ganga Maili is a story that explores the clash between tradition and modernity, innocence and corruption, and is remembered for its beautiful music and the performance of its lead actress, Mandakini.